Hello everyone, I'm Lynn from Solar Wholesaler. I'm the marketing manager of Solar Wholesaler. We run the business for 10 years and run the business across Australia. I'm based in Adelaide. Today we come here, Happy Valley Bowling Club. We proudly design and install the solar and battery system for it. Happy Valley Bowling Club, located in the southern suburb of Adelaide, was founded in 1983. Now it has more than 400 members. A couple years ago, they installed a 110 kilowatt solar panel system, but they still need to pay a high electricity bill. They want to cut it, so they found us. We designed a 13 kilowatt solar panels and a 48 kilowatt hour SolaX battery for it. Why choose SolaX battery? Because DSW has a battery care program with SolaX battery. We offer a performance guarantee to protect our customer. They can run the solar system and the battery system normally, and they have the zero risk to buy the SolaX battery from us. For the Happy Valley Bowling Club, they really love our care program with the SolaX battery. Also, they get to know that SolaX battery, they have the located technical support to protect the system run normally, and also it has an affordable price. And also they love the app SolaX Clock. It can run 24 hours real-time monitor. Today we come here to visit them and they share really good news with us. They get significant result of the solar and the battery system. Now they save 79% than the same time of last year. So 1 year ago, they bought around like a 78 kilowatt hour per day from the grid, but now they only buy around 12 kilowatt hour per day. They mainly use the power for the lights and the lights of the ground and for the kitchens and also some maintenance machines. And this 13 kilowatt solar panels system with the 46.8 kilowatt SolaX battery help them a lot. Now let's have a look of the solar panel and the battery system.
SolaX offers a free cloud monitoring system which you can download from the App Store. And with this monitoring platform, customers can easily and intuitively see what's their power usage through the cloud management system, and it's 24/7 hours every single day. In addition, SolaX offers a local technical support each interstate in Australia. So Direct Solar Wholesaler, it's our premier retailer. We work really closely, and if the customer has some technical issue, we are trying to rectify the issue on site within 3 days.
If you have any question about the solar system and the battery system, feel free to come to us. We are from the Solar Wholesaler.